Okay, so this is all the stuff that I carry with me every day of my working life. So I want to start with the best first. It's the most used item that I carry every day, other than my cell phone probably. Excuse me. So these are Leatherman Super Tool 200. I use them every day. You can tell by the needle nose that they've been used quite a bit. They got a little bit of paint on them. I use them every day. Good for pulling staples and nails, and you know, you need your little quick action tool. So I carry the cell phone every day. Every day I use the cell phone for work, for maps, for text messaging, internet, everything. So you might not know what this is. So this is a butane torch lighter. I do smoke, so it's good to have this on a windy day. It's $3. It's refillable, going green at least. And I do carry my medicine every day with me. This is a new carry. This is a utility blade by Cobalt. So has a little cheap pocket box cutter for cutting drywall or materials. Carpenter's pencil. Thanks to Lima Lumber, Delphus Avenue, Lima, Ohio. Don't live there no more. 25-foot tape measure. And yes, I do believe. I am a contractor, and I work for a licensed contractor. So I need this stuff every day. So this used to be a pretty good knife made by DeWalt. It was about 20 bucks. I use it for heavy use on cutting shingles to drywall to rope to wires, anything. It's 20 bucks. I think you get this and another folding knife like that. But it was worth it. It's about retired. Always carry some change with me in my pocket, leftovers, my wallet. You know, your wallet has your basics, you know, your driver's license and debit and, you know, some business cards, receipts, a little cash. Now, on to what? Nope, I'll leave that for last. My keys, carry that every day. It's weight, but I do drive a pretty nice Chevy. Psych, it's a Dodge. It's, you know, get your house keys, your lockbox keys, just general locks to lock up the tongue of my trailer, and toolbox keys. Of course, your 38 or 40-inch belt. Always get one too big, in case I need to use it for some type of emergency situation. I got a little extra belt that I particularly wanted to carry with me, hence everyday carry. They say the pen is mightier than a sword. I haven't figured that out yet, but I still use one every day. So you got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 items. 14 items if you count individual pieces, but this is just homemade. Homemade rolled up cigarettes. How'd you guys fooled? You thought it was going to be some type of kit. But this is what I carry every day in my pockets, or on me, attached to me, clipped to me. Clip to me, dip to me, whatever you want to call it. I suppose if you want any type of review on any of this stuff, I can do it right now. 20 bucks. Well worth it. Did have a little thing there that you can flip it open quick. And that was on spring loaded, but it's worth it for 20 bucks. This is like 5 bucks. Don't have a big as a clip right there where you can get your nail underneath. But it's nice for, you know, if you want to change your blade real quick. And it clips to you, so. This is like 5 bucks or 3 for 10. I'm videoing this with the same phone. I just happen to have my wife's phone. And this is a heavier case, $100 Walmart phone. Maybe 120 with the case. Oh, the Leatherman. This thing is old. So I use it for about 2 or 3 years now. I don't know. My wife, her mother gave it to me. Nice lady. But very, very heavy duty tool for what it is, in a pocket tool. I'm not sure how much something like that costs, but it's probably worth 50 bucks. I mean, brand new, maybe. The torch lighters, I can't get enough of these. They're refillable, so it's going green. So that's why I like those. 3 bucks. So like Walmart or something. I like the Zippo flat, you know, flip up. That's what I carry every day. At least 5 pounds extra stuff.